What's up, everybody? This is Investing Sensei here to bring you another video on my investing portfolio. So today I'm going to give you guys an update on week 9 of my M1 portfolio. And before we get started, I just want to let you guys know that this video is for entertainment purposes only, so please read the full disclaimer in the description below. For any of my new subscribers, I just want to let you guys know that, the main goal is to reach a $1 million value of a portfolio. And right now we just hit the 50K mark. And if you guys look up here, I have these goals set. So my first goal was to get to 25K. Next goal is 50K. Right now we're trying to aim to 100K. And that's where we're going right now. Eventually we want to get to 1 million. And that's the overall goal. And it will take some time, but with consistency we will get there. But this is my Google sheet here that I just keep track of everything I keep investing into the M1 portfolio. So the last update here, if you guys watched my last video, I actually leave a link in the description below, but I ended up transferring $27,000 from my Robinhood account to my M1, and since then, I've only added $200, so I got paid on the 5th of this month, and I actually already went and spent it in some stocks, and I'll show you guys in a little bit. But the total that we've invested in the portfolio is $60,501.84. So that's all of my money that I've invested, and I'll show you guys the M1 portfolio again in a little bit. But you'll see how much we've gained in dividends and also in just capital appreciation. And so here's the portfolio, guys. If we look at the 1 week, which is what I have selected, we've made 1.64% in return. If we click on the arrow down here, capital appreciation, we've made $1,230.95, and earned dividends $28.32. So that's pretty good. If we go to the overall here, you'll see that it's 0.82%, and then capital gains is $493.78, and then in earned dividends $140.25. And that doesn't seem like a lot, and the main reason is I lost majority of my history whenever they transferred over my shares from Robinhood to M1. There was an accident where they actually transferred my whole Robinhood account, and so they had to reset everything. So the most I have is up to November 20th of this year. But I do keep track of all my dividends that I've earned every month on a Google Sheet. And so I can actually show you guys my full gains that I've earned. So if we go to holdings over here, so you guys see the full portfolio value, $61,808. That's basically money that I've invested. This also includes dividends as well. But total overall, we're up to $78,274.59. This is almost a 27% return on our money, which turns out to be $16,466.33, which is really amazing. And I would have had all that information if it wasn't for the fact that they had to reset everything. But anyways, to any of the new subscribers, I do want to show you guys, I do have sub pies of my overall pie, and I have them broken up into majority of the sectors. So technology, consumer communications, industrial, healthcare, growth is not really a sector, but I do want to own Amazon and Google as well, because they're very expensive stocks, but I do also want to own equity in them, and I'll buy maybe $20, $40, depending on what I have. And then I do have real estate, financial services. This buy pie is just something that stocks that I bought that I was going to eventually sell out. The only thing I have right now is Tesla, which I'm actually going to plan to hold. And I do have some Tesla. Well, I actually do have a lot of Tesla stock in my Robinhood, and I'm very bullish on it. I ended up getting it at a really good deal. And actually, let me show you that real quick. We filter by gained. Look, so if you guys see Tesla here, you'll see that I ended up my average cost is $182, and then I bought $474 of it, and the full value of it right now is $909. That's 91%, 92% on my return already, just in Tesla. Just bought it in at a really good time. And then my other shares in my Robinhood are also doing very well. And then the other thing is utilities, materials, and these are just sub pies. So I'm going to leave the link to my whole pie in the description below, so check it out if you guys are interested in it. So I do want to go into activities, let you guys know what I've been buying, and let's do that right now. So if we go down, you'll see that starting December 2nd, Arbor Realty Trust paid us almost $9. Pfizer paid us almost $12. Wells Fargo paid us almost $6, which is awesome. Let's look at, I did buy 4 buys of $87. I did buy Home Depot, $20 worth of that. About $20 of Amazon. EPR Properties, $27. And then Cisco, $20. And then Visa paid us $82 as well. And then American Waterworks paid us 64 cents. And then I did 8 buys for $226. So I bought $15 worth of Pfizer, $25 worth of Constellation Brands, then almost $30 of Amazon, $36 of Home Depot, and then $25 of Cisco, and then McDonald's, $25, EPR Properties, $40, and then 3M, almost $31. So that one was pretty good. And then I ended up depositing the $200, which is the money that I bought with these stocks here. And then Boeing paid us $3. Honeywell paid us $2. And then Southern Company paid us $2. And then one thing that I've been doing is I'll go to holdings here, and I'll filter out by the unrealized gains. Anything that's in the red for me right now is typically what I'll be buying. So I do have like $8.36 cash available. When I do get another stock that will pay me out, or if I add more money to it right now, I'll end up ordering some of these stocks here. So like Cisco's like almost 14% in the red. I just like to average down my cost basis on some of these. The other thing that I did want to show you guys is that I'm kind of thinking about selling General Mills. So if we look and find General Mills here, I have 5 shares of it, and I bought it at $43 per share. That's my average cost. I bought $222, and the value right now is $275. That's about 24% on my return. And General Mills doesn't seem to be increasing the dividend, and I have time on my side, and if we actually pull up Seeking Alpha, we can look into it. So I have General Mills here pulled up on Seeking Alpha. Just go to seekingalpha.com, type in the ticker symbol, and then you'll get to this page. We're interested in the dividends. If we click on dividends here, this will tell you all this great information about the companies and their dividends. But for us, if we look at the dividend growth rate, that's 0 years. And then if we look at the dividend history here, scroll down some, this has been 49 cents every quarter, and that's been for 2 years, almost 3 years now. And for me, since again, I have time on my side, I want companies that are going to constantly increase it. And let me show you another company a perfect example of this. So here's the other example. This is Apple. It's almost $270 per share. And if you guys see this, every year they're constantly increasing their dividend. So this is 57. Now they bumped it up to 63, and then they bumped it up to 73, and now they bumped it up to 77. That's what I really want in a stock. And Apple's doing that. General Mills is not really doing that for me. And so if I actually go back to General Mills real quick, we can look at how much our dividend yield is. So I pulled back General Mills. It's if you guys look here, they pay a $1.96 per year. And I can actually show you guys how you can calculate your dividend yield. So I'm going to go back to M1 Finance. Let's look at our average cost and how many shares we have, okay? So if you guys look here, General Mills, we have 5 shares. Our average cost is $43.08. Okay, so if we go back to General Mills over here, so General Mills, remember, pays $1.96. I'll pull up the calculator. Alright guys, so you remember that our annual payout here is $1.96. So that's what you're going to want to put, $1.96. And then you're going to want to divide by your average cost. So ours was $43.08. And then that should give you a decimal number. And you're just going to multiply that by 100 to convert it to percent. So we're getting 4.5%, almost 4.55 dividend yield on our cost basis. And right now the price of General Mills is at $53. So the dividend yield is 3.69%. So our cost, we're getting a lot more. Our dividend yield's way higher because we bought a lot sooner at a lower cost basis. And you know, that's great for me, but I also want a stock that's going to be increasing their dividend yield every year. So let me know what you guys think. Should I sell General Mills? Leave your opinions in the comments below. I'll be really interested on what you guys think. And then there's last thing I want to show you guys is so I'm signed up for Seeking Alpha, and I have basically my portfolio set up, and I get emails of when the stocks that I own declare their dividends. And so let me pull up my emails and then I can show you guys on that. So here's my email, guys, and we actually do have a lot of dividend stocks that have been declared, and I've just been running behind right now. I've been really busy. But let's get started. If we look at the very bottom one, the first one is 3M. If we click on it, this will give us a link out to Seeking Alpha, and it'll tell us what they pay out. So 3M declares $1.44 per share quarterly, and they will be paying out December 12th, which is 2 days from now. And then the ex-dividend date's November 21st, which already passed because I was just running behind. So we can close this here, go back. So the next one is Union Pacific. So Union Pacific declares 97 cents per share quarterly. They will be paying out December 30th, so that's maybe about 20 days away. And then the ex-dividend date was November 27th. So we'll be getting those dividends very soon. And then Nvidia. So Nvidia declares 16 cents per quarter. 16 cents per share quarterly. And then they will be paying out December 20th, 10 days from now. And then the ex-dividend date was November 27th. So we should get a pretty good amount on this one, even though it's only 16 cents. And then Pepsi. So Pepsi declares 95 cents per share quarterly. And then they'll be paying out January 7th. The ex-dividend date's December 5th. So it's already passed. We'll be getting paid out in the next month. Alright, General Mills, which is the stock that I told you guys about. Should I sell it or not? But they're going to basically pay 49 cents per share quarterly. And then they'll be paying February 3rd. And then the ex-dividend date's January 9th. So basically, if I was to sell my General Mills stocks right now, I would not get paid out because I have to own the shares by this date. If I sell it on January 10th, then I will still get paid on February 3rd. But if I sell them now, I won't receive that. But we'll see if we end up selling it. I do just want to reduce my value in my consumer. Next one's waste management. So it looks like we have a lot of these stocks that we need to go over. And waste management declares 51 cents per share quarterly. They're going to be paying out December 20th, and then the ex-dividend date was December 5th. So let's close this one. Next one's Clorox. Click on this. So Clorox declares $1.06 per share quarterly, and then they'll be paying February 14th, and the ex-dividend is January 28th. So we can still add some and get paid by February 14th if we end up seeing it. But I'm basically only buying stocks that are in the red. So Clorox right now isn't so far that I can see. Next one's Realty Income. If we look at Realty Income, they're going to pay 22 cents per share monthly, and then they're going to pay December 13th, which is 3 days away, and then the ex-dividend date is November 29th. So that's pretty excited about that one. And then next one's Northrop Grumman. Click on this one. Northrop Grumman is going to pay $1.32 per share quarterly, and then they will be paying out December 18th, and then the ex-dividend date's November 29th, which just passed already. Next one's Home Depot. Click on this one. Alright, so Home Depot is going to pay $1.36 per share quarterly, and then they're going to be paying us on December 19th. The ex-dividend date was December 4th. So we'll be getting paid quite a bit very soon. Next one's Apple Hospitality. Alright, Apple Hospitality is going to be paying 10 cents per share monthly. December 16th is when they're going to pay, and then the ex-dividend date was December 2nd. Next one's Kimberly-Clark. And if we click on this, Kimberly-Clark is going to pay $1.03 per share quarterly, and then it's going to be payable January 3rd. The ex-dividend date was December 5th. So all the shares that we own for Kimberly-Clark, we're going to get paid. Alright, next one's Air Products and Chemicals. Click on this. So they declare $1.16 per share quarterly. They're going to be paying February 10th. And then the ex-dividend date is December 31st. So we can still add some more shares and get paid on February 10th. Next one's Microsoft. So Microsoft declares 51 cents per share quarterly, and they're going to be paying out March 12th. The ex-dividend date is February 19th. So pretty excited about that one as well. I'm actually pretty excited about all of them. Alright, next one's Disney. Alright, so Disney declares 88 cents per share semi-annual, and they're going to be paying out January 16th. The ex-dividend date is December 13th, so we still have 3 more days to add some more. I'm not going to be buying more shares right now. They're kind of a bit expensive. But I was a little bit disappointed that they didn't increase their dividend. They typically increase it on at this point in time every year around December. And it's probably because of everything that they've been spending money on, so that's fine. Still a good stock to own long term. Alright, next one's Verizon. Alright, so Verizon declares 61 cents per share quarterly, and then they're going to be paying out February 3rd. The ex-dividend is January 9th, so pretty good. And then the next one's American Waterworks. Alright, so American Waterworks declares 50 cents per share quarterly, and then they're going to be paying out March 4th, and then the ex-dividend date is February 6th. And then Cisco, which I've been buying a lot right now. Alright, so Cisco declares 35 cents per share quarterly, and then they'll be paying January 22nd, and then the ex-dividend date is January 2nd. And then the last one here is JP Morgan. Alright, so JP Morgan declares 90 cents per share quarterly, and then they're going to be paying out January 31st, and then the ex-dividend is January 3rd. So that was a lot of companies that have declared dividends, and I'm pretty excited about it. This is what I really like, and actually if I show you guys the dividend here, so here's my dividend payout here, that if we look at the month of December, these are all the companies that are going to be paying us out like dividends that we get paid out, which is pretty awesome. So we'll be getting a lot of dividends and getting them reinvested, and I'm pretty excited. I think this month we'll end up beating the previous quarters, what we earned for that month. And let me pull that up. So if you guys see this here, September 2019, we made $110. That's that same month for that quarter, and I think we're actually going to end up beating it. We're going to definitely be in the hundreds, and it should be higher than 110. So pretty excited about that. But anyways, guys, if you guys like the video, please hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoy the channel, and I'll typically try to at least upload one video per week. I'm typically really busy, but my goal is to always do one per week. If I can do more than one, then I really try my best. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys very soon. I'll have a couple other videos. I want to do a video about the best cashback credit cards, which I think will be very helpful, and how you can maximize your cashback. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.